Welcome to EduNation Avenue.
Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to use if-else statement with your C++ program. If-else statements are also called conditional statement because we use if-else statement to check some conditions. For example, I want to check the age of a person. I can use if statement to check the age of a person using C++. So let's try to write the code for if condition. Just declare a variable called age, and then I will output some condition. So I will say cout please enter the age, and then I will ask user to enter the age. So I will say cin age. Okay, now in order to check whether the user has entered the right age, I will say if. So this is how you can declare if condition, if and with the bracket and then this curly bracket, and in this bracket you need to give some condition. So I will say if age is greater than 20, then I will print the statement that the age entered, the age is correct. Okay, I will just build the program and run it, and I will enter age 28, which is fulfilling my condition, which is greater than 20, and when I press enter it shows me the message the age entered is correct. Now if I enter the age which is less than 20, then see what happens. 13 and press enter, then this message is not executed because this condition is not true. Now in order to catch other condition other than this condition which is there in if statement, we use else statement. And how we write else statement? Just like this. So in else statement this bracket doesn't come because there is no condition, it's just catching whatever this if is not fulfilling, or whatever condition this if is not fulfilling. So it doesn't require any bracket. So I will say in the else condition the age entered is not correct. Now when I run the program, and if this time I will enter the age which is less than 20, then it will go, the program will go here and we will see age is less than 20, so it's not greater than 20. Then it will go to else condition and print this message. Okay, so this is the sequence, and it says age entered is not correct, right, which is this statement. Now there are other conditions you can give in if statement. This is greater than condition. You can give for example equal to condition. So you can give equal to check the equality. So note here, we are not giving 1 equal to sign, we are giving 2 equal to. When you give equal to, that means you are assigning some value, and when you write 2 equal to, that means you are checking the equality. Okay, so let's check. I will just build the program and run it, and when I enter age is equal to 20, which is the correct condition, and when I enter it, it says age is correct. Now you can also give greater than equal to. So it will check all the conditions of the age which is greater than equal to, greater than and equal to 20. So it will check all the values which are greater than 20 and equal to 20, right? In the same way, you can also check less than equal to, but always remember that equal to comes after these greater than or less than sign. You cannot write it like this, equal to greater than. This doesn't work. You need to write greater than and then equal to. Okay, now you can also write smaller than, which will check whether age is smaller than 20 or not. Okay, and the other conditions you can write is or condition. So if age is equal to 20, or, so we can check or condition with this pipe symbol. So 2 times this pipe symbol, just give it and just write or age is greater than 20. Okay, so this is just seeing whether the age is equal to 20 or so age is greater than 20. So if I enter the age is equal to 20, it will execute this statement, and or if I enter the age greater than 20, then also it will execute this statement, because we are executing or condition. Or means this or this, whatever condition is true, it will execute, right? So I will run the program and I will enter the age 20, which is true, and it says age is correct. Once again I will enter the age 23, which is greater than 23, and then also it says age entered is correct. I think I need to build the program and then run it, and once again 23, and it says age entered is correct. Okay, in the same way you can check and condition. So for example, I will declare one more variable called int height. Okay, and I will tell the user to enter the height also. Okay, please enter the height, and I will just tell the user to enter the height also. So your user will enter age and height, and then I will give end condition, and I will say if age is equal to 20 and height is equal to 100 centimeters, then tell me this message or show me this message: age entered is correct, age and height entered is correct. Okay, otherwise age and height entered is not correct. So I will just save it and build the program. Here I forget equal to, double equal to, and see what happened. It's showing me the message, right? So just write double equal to here and build your program and run your program, and this time I will enter the age is equal to 20 and height is equal to 100, and it says age and height entered is correct. Or otherwise I will enter the wrong value, 25 or 45, and height is equal to 90, and you can see the age and height is not correct. Okay, so this AND statement checks whether this statement is true and this statement is true. So both statement has to be true in this AND condition, right? So I hope you have understood the concept of if conditional statement, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.